Hey guys, I'm going to tell you all about virtual internships or job simulations. I'm going to take you to a website called the Forage. If you can see up here at the top, you see www.theforage.com, and it says you can build confidence and get the job. What the Forage is, it does provide opportunities for you to do projects that can be used and added to your resume so that when employers ask you about the skills that you have, you can literally say that you have done these things before. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's very easy to sign up. I'm going to use my Google address. And so it'll take you in. And of course, you have to go in and fill out some things about you, about your achievements, about your profile, actually. And you'll edit your profile, put all your information, your college, all your working information. Then you're going to go and you're going to explore and you're going to find some simulations. So you'll go to course catalog and you're going to explore simulations. Now look at here, you'll see career interests. The first one is going to be data. If you click on data, you can see it's got them in data analytics and visualization, Power BI, data science, data intelligence, all of these. So if you click on one of them, and it'll tell you how long it'll take you to do it. So if you click on it, it'll take you into file and tell you that you'll complete work that simulates life on the job, 2 to 3 hours, and it's self-paced. Why do you need to complete this? It's a risk-free way to experience work on the job with Accenture. So you'll learn how they do work at Accenture. So even if you decide to apply with them, you can say, hey, I know how to do this. You'll complete the task, guided by pre-recorded videos. You'll earn a certificate to add to your resume and to LinkedIn. And you'll stand out because you've done the work. You've been through a simulation. And you can start a free program. And as you can see, these are free. 5-star reviews. Check it out. See what other people are saying about this. But these are all considered virtual internships. And I think that these will be great opportunities for you to kind of hone in on some of the skills that you are learning in the program. So I'm going to go back. So of course, we're going to look under data. Another one. Project management. Project management is definitely something that you're going to learn while you're in the program. So here you go. You'll learn about project management introductory. You'll learn about agile methodology. And then, of course, you've got just project management in general. These are all great opportunities. Accenture, JP Morgan Chase, CBRE tells you how long they'll take. And again, when you finish, you'll be able to say, hey, I've done this according to how they do it at CBRE. You'll be able to earn a certificate, add it to your LinkedIn, and say, hey, I've learned how to do these skills in this simulation. So this is called, what this is called now, a virtual internship. So you have lots of opportunities. Hey, get your skill set booming. This is an opportunity for you to add to what you're learning and what you already know. So let me know if you have any questions. I am here to help. Have a great day.